I cut hair before before I started working at Groundworks, and
Look, man, I hate to drag you back to the past, but what would you do with a cut like this? You're a foreman?
I am, yeah.
How long did it take you?
It took me about 4 months altogether.
That's fast, man.
It was fast, yeah.
What makes you so fancy and special?
Actually, nothing. When I started to work here, I had zero blue-collar experience at all. So,
You're kidding?
No, not
No
at all.
construction, no?
I cut hair before before I started working at Groundworks, and yeah, when COVID shut the whole world down, I found myself digging pier holes and sump pump basins.
You've got me. You were a hairdresser.
Well, barber.
You know, tomato. I need to understand how. I mean, I don't want to stereotype. I don't want to assume too much, but I mean, I'm trying to put myself in the mind of every barber I've ever met, and I'm trying to imagine that person down here loving this.
Yeah.
So, I mean, explain. How's that happen?
What can I say? Maybe I found the wrong calling the first time, but I really do appreciate getting in here and doing a good job for homeowners, because we make a big difference here.
Well, look, man, I hate to drag you back to the past, but what would you do with a cut like this? Really, I mean,
definitely trim up the sides a little bit before you get you cleaned up.
Yeah.
You still have plenty of hair on top of your head, so maybe trim it up a little bit so it's not hanging over too much, and you're all good.
I got a list of things that I thought were going to happen today, and I have a list of things I really didn't think we'd talk about. My next hairstyle, courtesy of a Groundworks Foreman, was on that list of stuff I didn't think was going to happen. But great. Hey, man, not to belabor the point, but there are people watching this right now who are in vocations that are going nowhere.
Yeah.
They're frustrated. They don't feel like their passion and their skills are lined up, and they're wondering if maybe they should hit the reset button. I just talked to a guy in my business who I've known for years who's saying, you know what, I'm getting out of TV.
Yeah.
What should I do? And what should they do? I mean, what's your advice to people who realize they're on the wrong road?
Yeah. Well, hey, starting at Groundworks is a great idea. Not only do we have the production team, but we also have positions for people who are more talkers, maybe people who have more management skills than others. There's an opportunity for everybody here. And obviously, you can come from anywhere. I came from cutting hair. I didn't even know what half the tools we use were when I started working here. And fast forward 4 months from then,
You're foreman.
I'm a foreman. Fast forward 4 years from then, I'm still doing great here.
How much brighter is your financial future with tools like these as opposed to razors and scissors?
Yeah, very. That was definitely one of the reasons for a career switch there. You know, you talk about the whole world shut down and you're in a very close quarters service industry. It wasn't working for me, and I found myself here. I saw the opportunity. I put my feet in the dirt, and next thing you know,
It made sense to your brain.
I'm working out well in life at this point.
It's such a great story. I'll share a quick skill with you that I have. If you've noticed what's happened over the last 2 minutes, there's been no actual digging.
Yeah,
It's just me talking.
I like talking to you.
I like talking to you.
I appreciate that.
To see more of this, go to groundworks.com/Rowe and subscribe for more Go Below with Rowe content every week.